Simplify data capture and increase accuracy using our DataSource functionality. Think of a data source as a simplified database table that is stored within GoFormz. The first step in creating a data source is to prepare a CSV file containing your data. This can be done in any spreadsheet software, but we'll use Google Sheets for this example. The only requirement is that the key column is the first column of your CSV. As a best practice, we also recommend adding headers to simplify future data source management. Suppose you want company name to be the key column. This would allow us to automatically populate address, phone number, and any other data based off of that company name selection. We'll add some dummy data here for demonstration purposes. Once we've added all necessary data points, we will want to save this file in a CSV format. Now that we have prepared our CSV file, we can upload it into GoFormz. From the Data Sources tab, click the orange Create Data Source button. Next, drag and drop the CSV file or click to browse and upload accordingly. You will then want to name your data source. If you'd like to use your data source to be available for public forms, click the checkbox here accordingly, then click Next. You'll see a preview of what your data source looks like. If you included headers in your CSV file, make sure to click the checkbox here. The preview should update to show the headers accordingly. Click Create, and you're all set. To learn how to utilize your data source in a template, stay tuned for the next video.